My name is Elizabeth Betten. I'm a director on the healthcare team at Madison Dearborn Partners. I would say I did have a little bit more exposure to investing. My dad was a venture capitalist, actually, focused at certain points in time in healthcare. I did always really like healthcare and biology. I was a biology major in college and kind of fell into economics and really had a passion for that and decided to try to combine the two. And so ultimately out of college, I went into investment banking and pushed hard to be in the healthcare group. And then ultimately, did want to be on the principal investing side and working alongside with management teams that think about growing businesses together. And have focused on healthcare ever since. I would say you don't have to go the consulting or investment banking route to get into private equity, but it sure makes it a whole lot easier. And I think, one of the biggest challenges is that a lot of folks look at investment banking and think, is that something I really want to do long term? I always like to say, if you can put your head down for a couple years, it's kind of like getting 4 years of work experience in two, for better or worse. And it just opens a tremendous number of doors, really across finance, whether you want to be in business development at a company or whether you want to go into private equity or do something else in a different part of the investment bank or go into a fund of funds or go into a mutual fund. I mean, it just opens a lot of doors because, for better or worse, it's an incredible training ground. And so my advice, honestly, is to just try to put your head down and do it and learn as much as you possibly can. And there's some really, really exciting careers. And honestly, even, some folks love working in an investment bank longer term. But if you want to be an investor, I think there's just a lot of really exciting exit routes you can take, and if you're willing to put in that hard work up front, I think it really pays off.